Because they're successful, yes, but they did not find their purpose in life. No? Malungkot sila. Why? Kasi hindi sila fruitful. Diba? Kasi being successful, that means you're alone on top. Right? You're alone on top kasi you did it alone. You climbed the top alone. But when you are fruitful, you have everyone around you. Kasi marami kang nabahaginan. No? Marami kang kasama. No? And hindi lang yon. Being successful, sometimes you're doing it on your own. I mean, your strength. But being fruitful, you're not depending on your strength, but you're depending on God's strength. Amen. Kaya nga nagiging fruitful ka, it's because of His blessing upon you. No? And we should not, mga kapatid, no? We should not push our kids towards career that will make a lot of money only. No? And will bring, yes, of course, kailangan natin ng pera. Hindi ko po sinasabi na okay lang na maghirap. Of course, pag Kristiyano ka, mayaman ka. Amen. Kasi mayaman ang Diyos natin. Amen. Walang naghihirap na Kristiyano. Yes. Tama po ba? Kung tayo ay sumusunod sa Panginoon, no? But then what I'm saying is, wag nating i-push yung mga anak natin to the point na sila na po ay magko-compromise sa mundo. Kasi when we push them, no, na maging successful, ang tendency no, nang mangyayari sa kanila, they will compromise. And yun ang pinakamahirap. Kapag nag-compromise na yung ating mga anak dahil pinush na natin sila on that level, at the end, hindi na natin sila mapupull back from here. Kasi doon na sila ikaw na nagtulak sa kanila, paano pa sila makukuha? No, kaya huwag natin itulak yung mga kapatid natin, mga anak natin, mga kapatid, no, on that level. I-ano natin sila sa Panginoon. We need to impart God's blessing to them. We need to give them as heroes, the great men and women of God who have taken the good news of Christ to those who are lost. No, ito na siguro yung pinakamagandang gawin natin sa ating mga anak, no? Na sila ay magbahagi, no, ng salita ng Panginoon sa buong mundo, no? Those who are lost. And in conclusion, mga kapatid, merong isang report na nag-ask, no? May mga reporters na nag-ask sa kanilang mga estudyante at in-ask nila to say something or to write something, a heartwarming message to their father, no? And para sa Father's Day story. And ang problema dito, walang tumawag or walang nag-respond doon sa invitation na yon, except for a few who wanted to tell the paper what jerks their fathers were. Mas nakakalungkot, di ba? No? Yun ang mga kapatid, yun ang mundo. Yes.